Welcome to Puzzles and Solutions. Earlier today, I found this really fun IQ test that I completed about halfway through before I thought to myself, I should save it for a video. So right now, I decided to make a video about BRGHT.org's IQ test. This IQ test gives you a new random IQ test each time you take it. So the first half of the IQ test is not spoiled for me yet. And I will try to take the IQ test live and see what score I get. So discover your IQ, get an accurate estimate of your IQ. Feel free to take the test as many times as you want. These questions will be different every time. I will try to explain my answers as I solve the test in the way I think of it myself. So yeah, let's go. We have 20 minutes. Start IQ test. Which figure should replace the question mark? So we have a striped horizontal pattern. 2 is correct. Hi, this is me from the future. I just wanted to say that in the top right corner, there is a level. Each time you answer a puzzle correct, you level up. And each time you answer a puzzle incorrect, you level down. Which figure is the same when viewed from above? So we have 3 is cyan and in the middle, it's either 1 or 6. The difference between 1 and 6 is that 5 is this light blue color, and we see that 5 is this light blue color. So 1 is correct. Which number should replace the question mark if the numbers 1 to 9 can only be used once? So 5 plus question mark minus 1 equals 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. So the question mark should be 2 because 4 plus 2 is 6. It looks like the only difference between this column is the dot in the middle. So I expect a star with a dot in the middle. 1 is correct. Which figure should replace the white area? So the first thing I see is that there should be a blue circle on the top right and a bit of a black triangle on the bottom right. So blue circle on top right, blue circle on top right, blue circle on top right. It's this one. Blue circle on top right with some pink, blue bottom right, and half of a circle on the bottom left. Which number should replace the question mark? Minus 46 minus question mark equals minus 82. So we just take 82 minus 46 and we get 42 minus 6, that's 36. So 36 is correct. If scar equals question mark, then cars equals 9702. So cars, the first one is 9. Or I mean the last one is 2. So the first digit should be 2. We have either this or this. The second digit is C, which is 7. So the second digit is 72709. I just wanted to say that I thought about this puzzle wrong. So the second digit should be the first digit of cars, which is 9. So the correct answer is 2970, the third answer. The test actually got stuck earlier. I hope it doesn't happen again. I don't know if it's my bad internet or... Oh, there we go. Which 3 shapes can be combined to create the figure on the left? It's not 5, I think. Or wait, is it 5? It might be It's not 1 and 2. So it has to be 4, 6, and 3. 4, 6, 3. 4, 6, 3. 3, 4, 6. Okay. Wait, my last one was wrong? Okay, I need to go back and look at that question and see what I got wrong. Which number should replace the question mark? Minus 18, minus 44, minus question mark. So 44 minus 18, that's 34 minus 8, that's 26. 26 is correct. Okay, so if two blue dots is 10 stars, then one blue dot is 5 stars. 5 stars is correct. Okay, so I see in the bottom left corner, there's this black down, white down, black, and purple right above. I mean, pink right above. So black, pink. This is the only one that does black, pink. So I know that this is correct for a fact. 12, 14, 42, 45, 135, question mark. What is the next number in the sequence? So plus 2, and then times 3, plus 3, times 3, plus 4, 139. Yeah. Okay, so purple equals red. I mean, squares is equal to triangles. Squares is the same as triangles. And 2 triangles is 1 plus mark. So 1 plus mark, that means that we can have 5 shapes that are either squares or triangles. So is there any 5 shapes? Nope, there is no 5 shapes. So we can remove 2 of them. Is there 4 shapes? Yes. Here we have 4 shapes. 3 of them are square triangle and 1 is a plus mark. Which 3 shapes can be combined to create the figure on the left? It's not 1 and 2 because there's nothing to combine with them. And it seems like it has to be 3, 4, 5, but I don't know if I'm allowed to rotate them or not. Because this is in the top left. And this is in the bottom right. Oh, but there's nothing in the middle. I mean, I guess I am allowed to rotate, so 3, 4, 5. Let's see if it's correct. Oh, you're allowed to rotate. Okay, so question mark times 31 times 17 minus 42 equals 3,163. Am I not allowed to use the calculator on this? Okay, so first plus 42, that's 7905. 7905. 7905. 7905. 7,975. Okay, 31 times 17. That's, how much is that? That's 170, 340, 510, 527. That's roughly 500. So the question mark has to be question mark times 500 equals 3,900. So if we assume that that's 8,000, then we take 8,000 divided by 500. 8,000 divided by 500, that's 16. So we go one lower because it's lower and that's higher, so we get 15. 15 is correct. Okay, so here we have 3 triangles. Here we have 2 triangles. We eliminate 2, and we get that 2 blue. We get that a red is equal to 2 blue, 2 lines plus a triangle, 2 lines plus a triangle, 2 lines plus a triangle. Okay, this is correct. A red, 2 lines plus a triangle. Which cube can be formed by folding the given shape? I'm always struggling solving these. I'm thinking maybe 1? Oh, no, it's 3. W, L, and then, yeah, it's 3. Which number should replace the question mark if the numbers 1 to 9 can be only used once? So to find this one, we need to first find this one. 3 plus 4, that's 7. Minus 14, that's 7. 7 plus 1, it's 8. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. This is 9. 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. Then its question mark is 6. Which figure should replace the question mark? 3 circles, we can eliminate 2 of them. And 3 blue dots, we can eliminate all of those. So 1 circle equals 1 blue dot and 2 black squares. 1 circle equals 2 black dots and 2 black squares and 1 blue dot. Blue dot. So we can take. So we can move 2 over. So it's 4 of them. 4 black squares plus 1 circle. 4 black squares plus 1 dot. Yes, that's correct. Which cube can be formed by folding the given shape? Is it this one? No, it's not this. Is it this? No. Or is it? Wait. It's number 2. Which number should replace the question mark? 3, 18, 38. 38, 3 plus 18, that's 21. That plus that minus that, so it's minus, wait, it's 5? Or isn't, wait, minus that is that? Okay, it's 5. Which figure should replace the question mark? ... So it seems like, wait, what's... The one on the right side is growing. When we look downwards, we see that this one is moving to the left. Moving to the left. This is really hard. I don't know what to expect here. It seems like these three are conserved. Because when it goes left, it pushes everything to the start. I mean, I guess it's this one. Oh, it was wrong. I need to look back at that one. Okay, so this was the first puzzle that I don't understand. If we make all these lines the same length and then look at the columns, we see that the white lines moves one to the left. And if it's all the way to the left, it reappears on the right. If you look at the first column, we see that the white line is at place number 4, then 3, and then it should be at place number 2 in the answer. This leaves only answer 4 and 5. Now, when it comes to the lengths, I really have no idea how they work. At first, I thought there was only 4 different lengths. However, when I zoomed in, I realized that there was 5 different lengths. And after I made this overlay, I realized that there was 6 different lengths. I have no idea how these pictures are related. If you understand this puzzle, please let us know in the comments how it works. Which cube can be formed by following the given shape? W. Is it this one? No, because that line. Oh wait, is it this one? Yeah. Two times 23. 7 times 23, that's that minus that times that. So 7 times 23, that's 140. 140 plus 21, that's 161. 23 squared. No, that can't be it. Two, 7, 28. Which number should replace the question mark? $23 times 7. That was 140 plus 21, 161. So it's not multiplication of those. 23 squared. Oh, I don't really know. It looks like the 7 goes there. It can't be. I feel like it has to be 4 maybe? Or 10, because 10 is twice. 280. Since this is negative, it has to be minus 10. Oh, that was wrong. I have to look back at that. Looking back at this problem, it was actually quite easy. So first I took 207, divided it by 23 to get 9. And I realized that 2 minus minus 7 is equal to 9. So to get the number in the middle of the triangle, we take the top left minus the top right and then multiply it by the number under the triangle. To solve this puzzle, I took minus 288, divided it by minus 12 to get 24. 28 minus 24 is 4. So 4 is the correct answer. Answer number 6 is correct. Which figure should replace the question mark? Arrow, return goes down, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's either this or this. I mean, this has already appeared, so I'm guessing it's 6. Yeah, that's easy one. Which three shapes can be combined to create the figure on the left? Maybe 1 plus 2. 1, 3 plus 6. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. 5, 12, 2, 16, 23, 23, 6, 92 thirds. So increase, decrease, increase, increase, decrease, increase, decrease. This is a really hard one as well. So 5 to 12 plus 7 minus 10, or divided by 6 multiplied by 8. Increase, decrease, increase, increase, decrease, increase. Yeah, that was it. The test doesn't give me an instant score, so I guess I have to make an account and we will see. Before looking at the score, I just want to quickly explain this puzzle. So we have the sequence 5, 12, 2, 16, 23, 23 divided by 6, 92 divided by 3, and question mark. So first we take plus 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. Then we divide by 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Then we multiply by 8. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. Then again, we add 7. 16 plus 7 is 23. Then we divide by 6. 23 divided by 6 is 23 divided by 6. And then we multiply by 8. 23 divided by 6 multiplied by 8 is 92 divided by 3. And at last we add 7. So we have 92 divided by 3 plus 7. That's the same as 92 divided by 3 plus 21 divided by 3. So the answer is 92 plus 21, 113 divided by 3. Answer number 5 is correct. So here is my final score. I got a range from 117 to 142. It seems like my numerical reasoning, logical reasoning, and spatial reasoning were all high. And it says, puzzles and solutions performed better than 87 to 99% of all people who finished the BRGHT IQ test. And further down on the page, it says, do you want to know your exact IQ? Finish your test. Based on the first part of your test, your IQ score is estimated between 117 and 142 with 95% certainty. To find out your exact IQ, finish the test and answer 30 more questions within 20 minutes. This will enable us to determine your exact IQ. And here we see an IQ estimate over time or the questions answered. So at first it starts from, it seems like 65 to 125. And then over time it increases the value but decreases the interval. And at last it was between 117 and 142. Finish your IQ test to get an accurate IQ score. In order to determine your exact IQ score, complete the full IQ test. The remaining 30 questions will be specifically adapted to your level, which makes it possible to calculate your exact IQ upon completion of the full test. That was everything for today. I might finish the IQ test in the future. Let me know if you want to see more of this Bright IQ test. I think it's really fun. And it's a really good designed website, at least. I don't know if it's a good designed IQ test. I feel like many of the questions I have to actually think. So yeah, I kind of enjoy it. But yeah, that was everything. See you another time. Bye bye.